Okay, good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, June 26th, the last class of June. After this, all of our classes are going to be in July here at KIT Iizuka, second period, English 2C, class 14. It's come to my attention that some people in a different class, class 12 or other classes, are in my class, but they're also still in another class. Make sure that your English 2C registration is only for, this is class 14, only for class 14, okay? And that it's not for any other classes. And make sure that your assignments are sent to me. Otherwise, I'm going to think you didn't do your assignments. So please make sure about that. That was a very interesting and almost strange thing that we talked about last week, me and a couple of the other students. Okay, let's take a look at what you have to do this week. I'll do this by moving over to my iPad. So let's take a look at, here we go. Okay, and also I'll put a screen lock on that. Alrighty, so today is June 26th. Not a strange class. We'll basically have a Quizlet set that I want to study. That's the set over there. And if you look at that in Quizlet, that begins with words for 7B, so English 7B. Okay, again, this is taking a little long to load, so I'll check that a little bit later. Let's go over back to Moodle. Okay, and these are the homework answers for chapter 7. These are the third answers. So this is the last homework-related page inside our Moodle. Please make sure that all of these answers for section 1, section 7, each of them have 3 parts. You download them, you study them, because they will be on the final test. The 4-part writing section based on summary writing how-to is now on the 3rd quiz on topic sentences. Looks like you guys don't have too much trouble with that, so you should be okay. If you have any questions on that, please ask me. And as we've done before, this is the 2nd reading quiz. This one is on modern music. That's a shadowing article that we will do very soon. That's going to be due on July 6th. Okay. Otherwise, nothing too unusual about what we're doing this week. Keep in mind that if I show you this, keep in mind that the final test for this class is in, well, about 3 weeks. So not much time. You have this week, next week, and July 10th, and then July 17th. And also keep in mind that there's no class on July 24th. Okay, we go straight from July 17th to July 31st. All righty, no one has any questions? No, please make sure that you sign your name, and let's have a good class, everyone.